War on Drug ki saruk ama oina Narcotics and Affairs of Border NAP ki agency sing amadi tongan ba security agency sing na phagat lakpa kg kuntra mapan ga gram jahum marifutara mangarom gi tongan ba drug sing mai Thaduna Mang-Hankhre. Lamdeng da leiba Sija Common Biomedical Waste Treatment da ngasi ayok mai Thaduna Mang-Hankhre mayai kapan nisa sing adudi heroin powder kilogram mari dasmit mari brown sugar kilogram manga dasmit ahum WY tablet sino dasmit mari ani kilogram SP capsule kilogram taruk dasmit ngakpigani ani dasmit taruk nipan amadi ganja kilogram kun taruk dasmit manga sino nipan ni tongan ba drug sing mai Thaduna Mang-Hankhre aduga mari leinana Intelligence and NAPK Inspector General of Police Ningsen Warngam na hai ngasi Manipur Police na law na yadaba mayai kapa chinjak muthat na bagi pandamda jangsil lakpa khongjanggi sarukama oina District Police Vigilance Department amadi atay security agency singna tongan ba mafam kayadagi law na yadaba mayai kaba chinjak sing phagat na ba honaduna lakli District Police Vigilance Department amadi atay security agency singna MEEKUPKI singna mathau pangthokpana drug sing asi phagat pangam khibani masina Manipur Police na mayai kaba chinjak ki mayokta lepli haiba takli Manipur bu drug free state ama oihannaba changsiliba khongjang asida miyam punna saruk yaminaduna mayai kaba chinjak khudingmak maru phangna muthatlasi haina Ningsen Warngamna phongdokhi Thauram aduda DIG Ningthaujam Herojit DIG Maharabam Pradeep SP Imphal West Khetrimayum Sivakanta NAPK SP Watham Basusu Sarkyakhi.
This seizure of narcotics drugs is made possible by the vigilance, alertness and dedications of District Police of Manipur and Narcotic and Affairs of Border and in coordination with other security agencies. And this symbolizes our united stance against illegal substances. We chose this state-of-art biomedical waste treatment facility to dispose of the drug so that this drug disposal is conducted in a safe and environmentally responsible and transparent manner. And as we all gather here, I also want to use this occasion to reaffirm our dedication to the vision of a drug-free Manipur. And let us also extend wholehearted support to those who work tirelessly to uphold a drug-free Manipur, a society which is clean and a healthy state.